The age-old question of whether money can buy happiness has been debated for centuries. While the popular saying suggests otherwise, recent research has shed new light on the relationship between wealth and well-being. The conventional wisdom. For decades, the prevailing belief was that once basic needs like food and shelter are met, additional wealth has little impact on happiness. This notion was often supported by anecdotes of wealthy individuals experiencing personal struggles or dissatisfaction. The evolving research, however, recent studies have challenged this traditional view. Some research suggests that there is a positive correlation between income and happiness, particularly up to a certain point. This indicates that while money may not be a panacea for happiness, it can certainly contribute to a greater sense of well-being. Key factors to consider: basic needs. Meeting essential needs like food, shelter, and safety is fundamental to happiness. Financial security can alleviate stress and provide a sense of stability. Social connections, strong relationships with family, friends, and community are essential for happiness. Money can enable individuals to pursue activities and experiences that foster these connections. Purpose and meaning. A sense of purpose and meaning in life is crucial for well-being. Financial resources can provide opportunities to pursue passions, volunteer, or contribute to causes that align with personal values. Lifestyle factors. How money is spent can significantly impact happiness. Investing in experiences such as travel or hobbies often leads to greater satisfaction than material possessions. The bottom line. While money alone cannot guarantee happiness, it can play a significant role in creating the conditions that support it. By addressing basic needs, fostering social connections, and providing opportunities for personal growth, financial resources can contribute to a more fulfilling and joyful life. Ultimately, the pursuit of happiness requires a holistic approach that considers a variety of factors beyond wealth.